Okay, so you should be in your ePortfolio. Last time we made these sections. Now we're going to add assignments to each section. So for this, you need the two Word documents that you guys have. So the first Word document is this one right here. Okay, this tells you the statement of learning. We'll get to that in a minute. In Unit 1 work, we should have Project 116, Blood Spatter Experimental Design. So we're going to go back to our ePortfolio, and in this middle area here, it's going to list out everything that we've done. So you see the Project 116, Blood Spatter Analysis Experimental Design. So we're going to click on this, and we are going to add it to our Unit 1 Work tab. And then we're going to click Add Page. Now, it'll take you to this page. So what you see on the right-hand side is you have the page here, and then this will actually show you your submission of what you did. Now, if we go back to our ePortfolio, and we do that by clicking on the 1617 PBS up here. Next thing we want to do is look at that Word document that you have this printed, and the Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all empty right now. That's because we haven't done anything for those yet. But we have done a couple career journals, so we're going to add these career journals under Career Journal. So in here, we click on the 100 Career Journals, and we're going to add it to the Career Journal tab, Add Page. Then it's going to take us there. We're going to click on the 1617 PBS again, just to get back to our page. And we're going to click on the 116 Career Journal. We're going to add it under Career Journals, Add Page. So now we have these two assignments here. So if I click on the 100, it will bring it up. If I click on the 116, it'll bring it up. Then I go back to my PBS, and if we look at that Word document that's printed for you, we don't have any medical history or autopsy reports, but we do have two exemplar works here, the time of death and the lab report. So we're going to click on our time of death, and we're going to add this to our exemplar work tab and click Add Page. Now, since I'm doing this early, the account that I'm signed in as, it does not have the lab report submitted yet, so you're not going to see it on your list, and that's okay. But you guys should have it on there, so add your lab report and then come back to the main page. The last thing is you'll notice that there are some assignments that are not in your ePortfolio, like your safety and syllabus quiz, your practice assignment, APA practice, or your test 1. That's okay. I only want you to put in what assignments that I tell you to put in. If there's extra ones that we don't add to the ePortfolio, we're never going to add them, and that's totally okay. You only want in there whatever I ask you to have in there. So if you look at your grading rubric, which is this page right here, you see this is how we looked to grade this. So in Unit, we'll get to the statement of learning, but in the Unit 1 work, you should have the Blood Spatter Experimental Design. So if I come back here and I click on Unit 1 work, I see I have my Blood Spatter Experimental Design there. So I know I'm good there. So that's a check mark. Then I look at my career journals. I should have both career journals present. So if I click on Career Journals, I have both career journals present. Good. I know I'm good there. And then exemplar work, I should have the two time of death and the blood spatter lab report. So when I click on exemplar work over here, I have time of death. Remember, she doesn't have it submitted, so the lab report would be there for yours. So you should have both of those there, and then you know you're good. So you've added everything to your pages, which is exactly what you need to do. So the next step is to do these reflections. To do that, go to the next video.